Okay, we got our head here, and we've got it all sanded down, so we're ready to seal it. We also have a pair of hands that we made, and you can see this on some of my earlier videos entitled Hands and Feet. You can see how I made those. We got the mouth here. So I'm going to use some wood filler. That's what I got in here. And I add a little bit of water to it to make it a little more pasty so it will spread easier. So we're going to cover the entire head and the mouth. We'll start by doing where we have our screws, because that'll sink in. So we'll put a first coat on, then we'll get it, I'll let it set for 2 days, then we will sand it all down and touch up spots that need to be touched up yet. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Like I said, we're going to cover the entire head with this. And this will fill in any little scratches or nicks that you got from all your carving and sanding. And this will help to make it make your head a lot smoother. I always start from the inside and work my way out. So as you can see, we're just going to cover the whole thing, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.